2% that are not clean anchors. What is 15% of 220? And what is 65% of 180? Each one sits just a slice or two away from a friendly anchor. Can you build it? Pause the video, build each percent from anchors. Here is a hint. Ask which anchors stack up to it. Think 10%, 5%, and 50%. Here is the move. Look first. 15% is not an anchor, but it is one slice past 10%. Rewrite it. 15% is 10% plus 5%. Now carve the 10% tenth. That is 22. But the 5% slice on its end. That is 11. Compute. Stack the values. 22 plus 11 is 33. Check. A bit over a tenth. That feels right. The same move handles the others. For 65% of 180, stack 3 slices. 50% is 90. 10% is 18. 5% is 9. Together, that is 117. For 45% of 380, carve the half and shave a sliver back. 50% is 190. Shave off 5%, which is 19. That leaves 171. Now scale the base when the percent runs over 100. Take 130% of 220. Here is 220 as a whole. It is 10 equal tenths, and each tenth is 22. Mark the right end. That point is 100%, the full 220. Now 130% is 30% more than the whole, so keep going past the 100% mark. Add 2 more tenths. That is 20%, which is 44. Add 1 more tenth, that is 10%, which is 22. 3 extra tenths is 30%, that is 66. The bar now reaches 130%. So 220 plus 66 is 286. Check. We went over 100%, so the answer is bigger than 220. The scale trick still works for tiny percents. For 3.5% of 420, build 35% first, which is 147. Then divide the result by 10. 147 divided by 10 is 14.7, and multiplying by the decimal agrees. Now it is your turn. 5 fresh percents, each a little harder. Race the timer in your head. Then watch the worked solution build on the bar. This is the stack and unstack anchors rule. If a percent is not an anchor, build it from anchors. Stack slices to reach it, or carve one anchor and shave a smaller one off. Look for a nice but not anchor percent near 10, 25, or 50%. Every percent is built from the 7 anchors. Once you can carve those slices, every other percent is just slices added, scaled, or subtracted. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.